Mr. SWAT team girl, be a pussy good, duh. Just wine for me hood. Me say, set you like time then it take for me. Your body look thick but you fit for me. Me say, that's alright, me no worry about it. Nah, because me know you never love nobody. Hear me and son of the guys of vice president or represent the SWAT team. You don't know pretty girl storm. You don't know have to big up yourself, baby. You see me? I don't know enough. Big up First Lady Fretdem, you see me? Doctor Love, you know the girl that me love and I them way I go, you see it? Hear me and say Tanya, I don't know me now if you forget, you see me? Gangster Dan, big up yourself, mama. Far gone, up move. Gaza represents sick at the VP.
Jen. Like
Mm-hmm.
I've been telling them and they're not listening. Like Amanda don't play. Anytime she
Right.
start pre up, she start pre
But I know that
you.
because them know say them feel like say Amanda, them want Amanda come out and cuss, but that's the wrong thing to do. And that's so my son say, nah go answer you, but give them the laptop and think them, hey,
Exactly.
you
Yeah.
see it?
Amanda said,
But you see, that's
Mom,
what I say,
Mom,
sister, we're not arguing with her. We just want to
Mom,
ask
I'm
her
sick and
certain
tired of this
question
woman. I'm sick
like
and
why
tired
you
of her.
I know that's why we're
Right.
not arguing with our
But
sister. We just ask her
why
certain
don't
question
understand? What I don't understand, the woman, right? Her son is very upset with her. You could tell that her
Yes.
household is miserable of her. You know what she have done, and she's still doing it. She's not stopping. She's not saying,
Exactly.
"Listen, all right, no, this is it. I need to stop." Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. No.
She's still making the fake page them. She's still doing this. She's still doing her live. Like, lady, I'm telling you. You're gonna sorry the day you mess with me and my children them, cause I don't know you. I
Well, she's
never
sorry
trouble
now.
you.
That's why I say we're
She's
not
gonna
arguing with
remember
her. We
our
just a
name. Don't
reason
worry.
with her to
Tanya,
ask
she's
her
gonna
why she
remember
want
Amanda
everybody
name.
like but nobody can
You
treat
boy you
her.
report me. Even that a man that tell the mayor that you know that she reported my mom to social worker. You understand? I remember I
Mm-hmm.
know. When she called social worker from Canada, she have to, you can't private your phone or nothing, right? Because
Right.
you're calling her overseas. So the call was coming from Canada, them call from America, some of them call from England. And Amanda, we have all the information, like, you understand?
They're
You stay
investigating it.
all the
Yeah.
way in Canada and ring social service on somebody that you never meet, you don't know me, and I don't know you. You
Exactly.
understand?
She doesn't know
Because
what's
of
going on
bad
in your
mind,
household.
abuse, and
Yeah.
wickedness,
Yeah.
right? And you continuously terrorizing me and my children. You understand? Posting my children. Lady, I don't post your son. I don't post the kids. You think I'm playing with you?
Mm-hmm.
But
No,
that's a
no, no.
start.
Your son works so hard, right? He's an activist. And it's sad, sister. It's sad to know that
It is.
because of her action, her son get kicked out. But we never have a choice. We never have any choice. We ask her son, tell your
We gave
mom
her a
to stop
warning. Fair warning. A fair warning.
more
Yeah.
than more than one time. And she refused. The last time she rise up on me. For what reason? Me I argue with Uku because Uku do some. Oh, come argue with me, Tanya and argue with Uku. And from that day she started cussing Amanda. And then she
All that
changed
no.
the page. Change the
All that
page
no when
name.
them see. But you know about my sister when she did her explain one page
Right.
talk about she wasn't around 2020, 2017. Lady, that was not Instagram page, Joshua. A Facebook. See the road bar up at top there, like you
She's
think say
showing
everything in that.
Amanda's
You're
Facebook.
such a
I
fucking
remember
idiot.
people. She said she's not on Facebook. I don't know what that
Right.
live that she did. She was showing. So basically, Amanda explained to the mayor that even her Facebook, she was diverting pedophile. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
To go on Amanda's Facebook and terrorize her. You and Amanda is no size, lady. Like, what's wrong with you? You are ill, and that your children
Right.
need to be taken out of your care, and they're going to take out of your care. Watch. You're gonna go on the sex register because your mind is nasty and
Mm-hmm.
filthy. Anybody who can think like that sexually on a child, you will molest a
Oh, that's
child.
about forgot me Amanda too. Me have something when she go on my daughter Facebook, on my daughter YouTube page and I write up one bag of thing I forgot.
Yes,
Yes.
send them
Right.
on because
I
remember we have the
forgot.
personal
Me
email
go for
to
the
send
YouTube
all of her,
and send it them message.
all
Just
of
go
what
on it
she's
and
going
send
on
it.
with. You think because you're not showing your voice, lady, your voice cannot hide.
Right.
Exactly,
Remember
it don't even matter. But it's not
we
that.
have
When they video
videos
it,
with
they're
her
gonna ask her if those her
showing
pages.
herself. And then we have video where she's in the dock and people the way how this woman mentally fucked up. The woman is giving herself trouble and talking about, oh, I'm gonna sue this. You can't sue nobody. Lady, you're in big trouble, lady. All of the evidence. You understand? You put suppose a man that God forbid trapped down and dead because the owner stress out the little girl with no fuckeries. Big fucking grown ass woman. Huh?
Well, that's
Big
how them
fucking
not
grown ass.
get.
Whatever. They will never get that. I am a praying mother and I teach my children them to be strong. Don't make no words get them down. But in the end of the day, Amanda is crossed as a vulnerable adult. And what you are doing to her, love Sanders, you and all and the rest of germs, the people, them, I'm telling you, one by one, me I take one out. You understand? You gonna learn that you cannot use social media to harass and bully people because you feel that nobody can touch you because you're all the way in Canada. No, we can use the law and touch you. We can use the law and touch you. And should rather get a criminal conviction, lose her children. For what? Let me ask you,
No,
lady,
because
because I
she
know you're
tried to
over here.
thing, that's why. And then when
She
she
know,
go through that, yo,
but
that's
now
why we
she
need to buy time.
knows. From the time when Manda contact the other guy who did the interview, he knows that the ball is rolling, and I have all the screenshots what Manda sent to the mayor. She was writing about call the queen, call the cops, Tanya Red Boot, call this. No, nobody can stop me. And look how the woman so stupid. That dirty page, what she's saying, is not she using that page, but yet still she's typing up on the page and saying, you could have called the mayor for Canada, you could have called this and that. Me nah stop.
But
So they
another,
said,
I remember
okay,
one
so
time she
you're
left
above
her
the law.
page and then she go and I
Right?
contact somebody with the page with my picture. Like a fucking idiot.
Exactly.
Idiot.
She's
Damn
dumb.
fool.
She's
Damn
dumb.
jackass.
All them
Well
something they're
done.
gone
I mean, no,
over.
so
Your
when she get
page
caught,
is
she come
being
across and she must
monitored.
say I laugh and I said, fuck, I get caught. You gotta fucking,
She's
you gotta be.
stupid. The lady is lonely. She don't have any real friend. Because if you didn't have a real friend, you wouldn't be doing those things you are doing on the internet. I swear. You understand? Troubling people you don't know. Like it's different. Like you want, somebody have a little internet
Jesus.
beef and they move on. She and Put cannot move on. They're stuck. They want to make this argument. The people them are sick and tired of you lot.
But that's the me I
You
say, listen,
understand?
them have a platform. Why they can't get up and talk about something?
Positive. You have care upon the. I'm on the page, lady. I on the page. A lot of people on the page and seeing. I'm not lying. You throw Kiara graduating and saying, oh, she's so cool. All of the nasty things that we have. People who never see the page what you have up.
It's dirty,
Me and my
nasty
kids
page.
them nasty page,
Pedophile
pedophile
page.
page, poor baby.
Oh my god.
Oh, Kalia, pussy fuck out. Like lady, you're sick.
They gotta
And
charge
I'm
her.
telling you, you're
She's
gonna
gonna
feel it.
regret it.
Of course she's
She's
gonna get
going to
charged. She's
regret
going
it.
to get
I mean,
charged.
I want her to come on
The
social
lady
media
under every
cry and I tell
watch.
people,
She under every
yeah,
watch.
they're watching her page
She
right
won't
now.
stop.
Yeah.
Check her page, watching her page, and see that even
Even the one she did
she's
last
so
night.
aggressive.
Right. The one that she did last
Yeah,
night. They're gonna use that against her too.
still cussing Amanda. Imagine your son is crying.
And begging and
You
pleading for
understand?
his mom to
Mom,
stop.
you let me get kicked out. Oh, are you still? Where you do?
He's
You think you burn frankincense and more can stop the truth?
no, but she is
But another,
God
stopping.
you
don't
can't
She's
stop
care.
God.
stopping
You
her
can't touch
son's
the ladder damn thing.
that stuff that could have been a good thing for her son later on in life, and she just put a block up right now that
I mean,
block
know
him
when I
from
saw
that.
probably
But
tell her,
no.
she probably said, no, at first I really believe this woman think it was a joke.
Yes.
I think she
Yeah,
really
she
believe
thought
it
it
was
was
a
a
joke.
joke. That's
And the
why she was
woman's going
writing
to
up and
court. The
saying,
woman is going to. Somebody's bringing her to court. That girl. What's her name again? Shireen or something.
I know somebody linked me yesterday and said that I did report her to the mayor also. So lady, your name
It's
is
there. They
there.
police the house and
Your
police know
name
her.
is there,
But other
lady.
that,
You're
The
a top
when she did
maker.
put up me, when she done show me name,
the police know
Burlington
her.
police, them know her name. And them know
They
her
know
name,
her.
Osha Sanders.
Yeah, they know
You
her.
know him. The
So me make
And
a
officer,
report
every
the
over you.
time
officer,
they talk to her, she's aggressive.
the
Every
officer
time.
where Amanda speak to, they know her.
Yeah, they
Huh?
do.
She don't even know. She don't even know what gonna happen, lady.
Sure.
You can't say me never want you,
And
lady.
there's more than
This
one
you
report. There's
can't.
more than one report, Tanya, on
Well,
her. So she needs to
mm,
stay right there. So where she there? Yeah. Act like you're above the law. Keep acting that way. Yeah.
that
The lady
Amanda
said
was
she a
talking.
exceptional worker,
Amanda
them
was
now
Oh,
talking to the
they would
officer.
never
arrest
they would
her.
never get rid of me. I'm an essential worker. Who cares? Doctors, lawyers,
Yeah,
even fucking police go
all
to
that
jail. The own police officers go to jail. So who are you?
that
Who
the
the fuck
police
are
them off.
you? The police officers get indicted them damn self for doing crime. As long as you're doing
She's
crime,
a
you're gonna
special
get to fucking
essential
go to
worker.
jail.
She's a very special essential worker, so she can't be touched.
Oh please, I mean I gonna report them too and show them the video them where you have video around the people them blood clot place. Yeah. Let me forget to send in that one day. Yeah. Yep. You wanna report people and say this and that about people? Okay, how does it feel to get it back done to you? It's going right back to you. Yeah.
Not my penny
And
never
then
do
she
you.
never report
Mm,
Right?
Tanya to Child Protective Service and when Keiko play.
yeah.
Yeah.
She
Mm,
said she reported Chin and she reported me. And how are you gonna report Chin and Chin lives in the States, you moron? That's not her name, Chinoy, whatever you said her name was. That's not her name, you idiot. So who did you report? And you could see she does this all the time. And don't put nothing past her. I'm pretty sure she called the fucking immigration, she called police, she called everybody on post. Post. Same
she
one.
did.
That's how she stay when you and her are in
But other than that,
friction.
for she,
In friction, that's what she does. Yeah,
you know, I'm one no say, for she, everybody's illegal. Me can't bother.
right? Nobody has their papers. Nobody has their stay. The whole of we illegal. The whole of we not have no
Nobody can
Nobody
education.
work
can feed
except
them
she.
We
Me
not
still.
have
can't bother.
right. We not have no food. The whole of we homeless. The whole of we not have nothing. We're broke and pauperized. That's what she said. We have more than you, bitch. Way more than you.
Me away from her daughter cake, so she now make one, she never buy one. Cause
Hello?
that
I
look
mean,
like
my
dog shit.
it's there. Refresh your
See?
page.
The car head blood clot, mad favor bumble clot birdness. Hmm?
Ladies mentally unwell, that's all I can say. And I'm so happy that my daughter, I'm so proud of Amanda. The Amanda email is going back and forth from Amanda doctor to the mayor to the police officer who have the case. I'm so happy. And I'm telling you, people, I'm not joking. Give her a cup. It could be 1 week, it could be 2 weeks, but you know, sooner see her.
Yeah, don't worry. You get all those pages are gonna disappear. Just wait and see.
And we're gonna come out.
But
Anything.
guess what?
I'm gonna come out and show the proof.
One
I'm not playing
one
with
thing
her.
I have to say is that She gonna run like teeth. But guess what? Even if you run and delete your pages, Instagram has them saved. Okay? So if they
Yeah,
call
but our page
Them
is
a
Instagram,
being
lie
monitored
posting
right
that
they're
girl.
now.
reporting it right.
Happy
They're
you
looking
want.
into your page right fucking now when you're there on it screaming. So don't worry. You're gonna get what the duck get. And when they call into Instagram to get the stuff on paper sent to them, then you're gonna feel it. Don't worry. Sit right there, so you fucking baboon,
I am.
Jankro.
She's been knowing to terrorize people
Yes.
and cross you up in Pampire.
Yeah. She's known for that. She always used to do that. Nobody can tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. And then when you and her get in a little friction or a little disagreement, she will call upon you. That's what she used to do
Lady,
because she knows everything about housing. She knows everything about fucking
you can't
housing. And
sell.
the woman,
When I come out,
That she have
I'm
house,
building
that's why
enough
Amanda
time.
can't live her yard.
right? She, yeah,
I said, lady, allow me and my kids them. We don't know you.
she
What you're doing is
determined. She
wrong.
determined
You have your
bad.
children there. You kill it. You do not talk about me. I will never ever make a page and show nobody children on it and talk nastiness.
Right.
Really. I'm telling you.
Mm-hmm.
When I'm reading the email, I'm just laughing. I'm saying, finally, Father God, something is gonna happen
Yeah.
to all these online and cyberbullying. Think it's a joke, lady. You know, come out, come tell the people them how your son hates you,
Of course.
the way you look to
Them
you.
probably all
Come
screamed.
out,
That's why her voice was so hoarse yesterday. That's why she was
the boy
yelling. He's
upset.
And
mad.
she was so upset and
Cause
scared
now
she
he
have no
can't
she over here try work
No,
out
the
and
boy
she have
can't
go
talk
work.
about the Black Lives Matter because
because of her
how can you talk about Black Lives Matter when his mom is
on the
abusing a
internet.
black man?
Right.
What does Raleigh done to you, lady? Raleigh don't know you. You tearing down my baby daddy.
Exactly.
Talk is sugar jar. You tearing down Raleigh and saying Raleigh do this to his kid and you beat those nasty words that you spit out of your mouth. You're not gonna get
Right, Sugar
charged for
Jar?
them.
Talk truth now? Then to leave Amanda alone.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Lady, you don't play with my baby girl, yeah? You don't play with Amanda. Amanda is an angel upon God land.
Exactly.
You understand? She don't
But
have
She
me
don't
I
know,
tell
but
she
guess
her.
what? She don't know what's gonna happen to our monkey them. She don't know what can
She's gonna
happen.
lose her kids
She's gonna
them.
lose
She's gonna
them.
lose
She's
custody.
gonna have to because
I'm
guess
telling
what?
you.
The pedophilia, all that shit that she's doing, they're gonna take those kids away from her, and she's gonna be on the sex register.
Of course.
Yeah,
Of
and
course.
she would never
She's
ever see
gonna
if
get
those kids are
charged.
gonna go. Well, them father
Me
may have
never
prepare
say
and take them
people.
to his yard.
Me never say this in my life yet that the woman is in a lot of trouble. She knows. And
Me
what she do
too.
instead of she deactivate her page and go start out the woman press live and across
Exactly.
the same person,
Yep.
the same person that she get the
We
call.
too,
She get the call.
shortbread. Tired, yo.
She knows.
She
Woman
knows,
is sick.
yo.
That's all
Trust
she
me.
know.
They're investigating her, and trust you me, when everything goes down, you
Sick.
guys will hear about it. Yeah.
I'm not gonna hide nothing. I'm gonna post letter anything. Email. I'm gonna post it because in the end, I'm just not posting the emails them yet
Right.
when she
until
get arrested.
Right.
until
Till when she gets
she get
arrested.
arrested.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
not posting nothing. You're gonna see, lady. Lady, you're gonna sit down and you're gonna remember Amanda and her sibling and her dad and her mom.
Right.
The two out of order, lady. But you have proved that rallying fuck children. How can you be so violent, cruel? Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, the man is a good dad to his children. If the man was raping his children, me and him would have gone up with a long time.
Right.
The too wicked man, the too evil and the too vile man.
Right.
I'm sick and tired of all I wanna. And as I said, me now come by to come argue with you know. Yeah, use the law and beat you know.
Yep.
You're mad. You're big
And
mad.
since you said that, Tanya, don't you didn't you hear a post on her live too? And the ape. But oh, may I go use the law and beat them, bitch? Too late. It's too fucking late. Sorry.
Lady, all of them off the video them. I'm telling you, people, she's sitting down and wondering how the fuck Amanda get them information,
Right.
how Amanda get her son to tick. Her head is running a mile a minute. She's praying, be wicked and evil.
Yep. Well,
As
it's
I
off of
said,
her own doing, though, right? It's off of her
before she
own
come up
doing.
on the internet and start
Sh-
out and her
She
son,
want go on like she a
what she
bully, and she's gonna take down
dressed
us. That will
life,
never happen.
still abusing Amanda, still
Never.
abusing her.
Yeah.
Sick fucking stomach, man.
And your younger daughter, Kiara.
Yeah,
She
Kiara,
was
she have
sending
Kiara up on the
she was
page.
sending messages to Puss's phone from that same
Yeah,
fucking
yeah,
page.
she was the one who sent Kiara's picture to post.
Yeah, and
And
Kiara's
then Pussy so
underage.
stupid, playing and going live and oh, look at this
Oh,
body shaming
well,
Kiara.
don't worry.
You
The
understand?
police are gonna see who's sending what pictures to who's sending this one to that one by the IP address. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
sugar jar. Me and well, me not take credit for it because this was all Amanda.
Hmm.
And even though the little girl sick, the little girl
She's
still has
smart.
send the email.
She's very
She's
smart.
smart,
She's very
you
intelligent.
understand?
Yeah.
Right? And the woman, her son, get kicked off of the Black Lives Matter.
Hmm.
And his video was, you know how the Black Lives Matters people them are so upset with this woman?
They are. They are.
You know, so you bringing down the people them name. Because Amanda make sure threatening them so she a go to the conservative with this.
Yep. And to the news.
Amanda was gonna take it to
Yep.
them. And remember, the conservative them, they are the racist people. But Amanda said, okay, if my color people can't help me, let me turn to the white people them.
Exactly.
You
And
know how
Trent
her son could jeopardize what the people them work hard
or yes.
for black people to have a voice?
Exactly. And she don't know that.
Stupid ass woman.
Dumb.
Stupid woman.
Dunce woman.
Forced to stop what she had do. The
Just stop.
woman,
She
the woman
just
tell
feel like say
herself,
she
Tanya,
feel like say if she stop arguing with this, she gonna say she lose.
exactly. But what are we
Tomorrow.
but
winning?
there's
There's
nothing to
nothing, a
win.
fucking trophy,
But
a
other
medal.
that
There's
them lose
What are
nothing.
we
because if you have
getting?
to get up every day and argue,
Where I get money?
can't bother.
The fuck?
Lady is very disgusting. I'm not gonna lie. I never know that somebody could be so vile and disgusting
And
in
then
all my
she's saying
entire
we
life.
are the ones that are vile. You remember on YouTube? She made that video saying
Yep.
we are vile and we are black women who scream and yell all the time. So why
Lady,
you over
my
here
God,
then?
Amanda sit down and all of the video them where we have Amanda make
The
sure. Because remember,
old ones, yeah.
if Amanda was lying, her son would still be on it.
Right. Right.
Her son her son interview with the mayor was still on the mayor page.
Yep.
But when Amanda, because Amanda from start to finish, like oh, this is when she started on YouTube
Yep.
when she was showing her face.
Yep.
You understand, lady? It's not us make you an ugly lady, you're ugly inside and out.
Right.
I never see a woman so ugly in all my life, man. The woman more long.
Long the blood clot.
The
Don't kill
job
me.
one them tough.
Tough.
The woman
Like a
them job
Then
one
jawbone
alligator.
then
stand up in
stiff
her
like our
head
crutches. We can't bother.
like Jackie Chan.
Right?
John was star. I lie, lady. You
Uh-uh.
need to stop. It's too late,
Ugly
you know,
people not for
lady.
cuss pretty people. Move your blood clot, ugly fucker.
But you're making it. You're making it. You know the call when you get. You know the visit where you get and what you do. When you get that
You
visit and the
press
people them
live.
gone, what you do?
Press live.
Press live. So you're showing the police them that
You're
you
not.
don't respect the authority.
She don't respect the law and
You
she
don't
don't
respect
have
the
no
law.
chill. She has no chill. None whatsoever. No chill.
Look how you sound so aggressive.
Right?
Aggressive on people where you don't know you're screaming, talking about the underneath the children. A lady, I'm telling you,
Mm-hmm.
God go with you. That's all I can say. God go with you. But right now, You are and Amanda go sue. Yes, after this, you talk about going to sue Amanda go. Me can't sue you, you know, because through me come out, come class, cuss. But me don't explain to the people them. I was frustrated. The
Amanda could
woman
go.
wouldn't stop. But
Amanda and
Amanda and
Robin.
Raleigh,
Yeah.
Amanda and Raleigh is gonna sue you, lady.
Yep.
Definition of character and all. What you do to me and my family for
If
no
you have to come to
reason.
Canada, well, they'll probably do it by virtual, right? They'll probably do it virtual.
Yeah, we do it virtual
Whichever way it goes,
anyway because we
it's
can
going to
travel.
happen.
We're not illegal.
Right. It's going
We
to
can
happen,
fly.
right? So whichever
So in the
way,
end of the day,
it's gonna happen.
it's gonna happen.
Yep.
Yep. She's naughty. I bet you say she will never go back on social media, but behave the way how she
She'll
behave.
go
But she
back on
realize it.
YouTube. Mm.
Yep. She go back on
Or even if
YouTube.
she
And I'm
doesn't, she'll
telling you,
stay and do her content, and that's it. Yep. That's all. That's what she needs
she's in
to
a
do.
lot of
That's what
trouble.
she
A
needed.
lot
That's
of
what she
trouble.
needed to do. But she don't listen. And she even tell her man, say, oh, even if you have to divorce me, me not care, me I stand up for my kids. Stand up for your kids? How are you standing up for your kids when you are the aggressor, bitch? You're the one that's fucking
Exactly.
have people speaking on your dirty web page, your Instagram page. But oh, Tanya, if you want it, you could come in
Forever.
my
Them have
inbox,
all of
and
them
I'll
videos
tell you
there.
where I got
All
it
of
from.
them videos.
Why would Tanya
She
go
thinks
in
she
her
can set
inbox
me up.
and say that? She have it. She's been had that page.
That page just changed. You know what the page is named? Tanya married to a tree.
Yes, I remember.
So she have the state and in the bayou, rather than having sex with the baby, Tanya, the people them have all of those nasty.
The
Yo, lady,
screenshots,
you don't
everything.
know.
They're on that page. They're
Lady,
watching it right now
you don't
too.
know.
She's
Yep.
so stupid. Damn jackass. You're gonna make social media to make you lose every mama blood clot thing that you so-called say you work hard for. Yeah, you're gonna lose your job. You're gonna go to jail. Your house will probably get taken away because you can't work. You're gonna be on the registry, the pedophile registry.
That's what
And
she's
then
gonna be
what are you
on.
gonna do? You lose the house, everything, the bank take everything. Fucking dummy. Over social media,
Pedophile
over
behavior.
Instagram. Was it worth it?
I
Ask that
don't know.
question, Tanya. Was it worth it? Was it worth it, Abe? Tell truth. Was
But
it worth it?
I've been
Fucking
asking
dummy.
her this, that does it worth it from the other day. Because as I tell people, we don't do this. We just don't get up. Me and Amanda will sit down and we discuss it.
Right.
And as I said, I don't fuck with people's children. And you know what upset me for this woman? I always said, I can't bother with the lies like them. I always said at least her boy children them finish
Yeah, you
school
give them
and they're
credit.
not in gang.
Right.
I always said it, but this woman
She
tear down me and my children them. Down to my baby is graduating and she said, because me, Sophia's son, like lady, then when my kids them
everybody
they can't
graduates
graduate,
at the same
everybody
time.
graduate, lady.
Right.
Stop the foolishness, man.
Just about people bad
Stop the
mind.
foolishness.
Nobody's bad minding you, bitch. Everybody does it it's just schools do it at different days, different time. The fuck you talking about? She
But
she
you dumb.
she
Oh,
never
Tanya
went
fi
to school.
fall out to graduate, so you pick me a idiot.
All
But
right.
yeah.
She knows that once you reach a
Ladies,
certain grade, you graduate. Once you reach a certain grade in high school, you graduate. So what the fuck is she talking about?
So I guess all of the other people them who graduate a fall our son too.
Right?
Never
all right.
know.
The fuck?
So what about the one them who graduate before our son? For our son I follow
She
them.
not cause puss and
But
fear pitney
yeah.
them when I graduate or see a certificate in them life. Never finish school or do nothing good. Right? But them
Why you
not
have to
cause them.
why you have to take down the innocent picture and put it on the dirty page that said it gonna get
Exactly.
put?
Exactly.
Hmm?
Why she even
Why?
getting involved in that? Why she even where she come from?
Everybody have a content in this world. I'm telling you something, I so no, none of them have on a vile, on the evil
Mm-hmm.
and wicked and then a love talk. Oh, the SWAT team them. Fretdem don't come out and trouble
Me
nobody. They
neither.
trouble her and she just
Me
said,
neither.
Alright, look
stop
how me never see this dirty
trouble
woman and she a
nobody.
call me
I don't
name.
trouble nobody. I don't bother people like that unless they come for me. If you come for me, I'm gonna fucking come for you. Straight
I'm
up.
bad, yeah.
Yeah.
All I know, she's gonna lose everything.
Over two.
She's
What?
gonna
Yeah,
sit
right,
Hold
down
on,
and
and
come
Tanya.
on me
What did I
cry.
tired.
say? What did I used to say before? I always said that you're willing to risk your job by sitting in the people them's house, video in their house for a 2 second video. 2 second video. You're willing to lose your job and get in trouble for IG. Like fuck, B. You're retarded. Fucking retarded. Not
Mm.
me. If I have a certain job and I know that I'm a essential worker or whatever the case is, me not gonna risk my job. No. My job had benefits and everything. Why would I want to risk my job over Instagram people that I don't know? I'm never
Sad.
Unless
It's
not
sad.
seeing you.
That's all I have to say. It's getting out of hand, and we have to nip it in the bud because
right.
it's going into 2.5 years, and the woman do have no intention to stop.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? She went on Rallying page, take off Kimora. That was Rallying first born, and I remember that picture. Right, we were all laughing. And Kimora never liked Amanda because Amanda used to tease her,
Right.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Amanda put her skirt over her head and she's crying with the titty milk because she was in my hand. I was breastfeeding her,
Mm-hmm.
and Amanda take her off of the breast, put her shirt over her head, and she skin up her mouth and start crying with the titty milk in her mouth. Are you gonna you go on the man page and take off the man child and then say, oh, the man coming and pitting him out, lady? I'm telling you, lady, when we're done with your man, you're gonna wish you never
She's gonna
ever
remember our name.
mess.
Mm-hmm.
You can never mess. You took up all of the man picture of the man page.
Mm-mm.
Stalking Rallying, you dep on Rallying page with 10 fake page.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? For what reason I don't know. You're trying to get on my children, them social media. They are
Right.
children for fuck's sake.
Exactly.
They're not doing nothing what they're not supposed. They're posting their little idiot TikTok stuff
That's the
them and
same
them
way how she
something
put up
here.
my daughter too. And she's talking about my
Exactly.
friend's daughter. Like, who does that? You're taking
It's
off
sick,
pictures that you
lady.
don't even
It's
know who
sick.
the people are. And then you're
And
gonna
it's
say,
dead
oh,
Yeah,
and
and
wrong.
dirty
what
pussy woman, you talk about Evan. None of your picture them can look like blood clot, Evan. You're right.
exactly.
And it's
Bow down
sending
to
And
them
Evan,
the
on
only
son.
thing she could tell you, Tanya,
the
all she keeps
picture.
saying, especially if you have a baby, oh, go wash your baby then, buckle. Fuck out of here, bitch. Of course. Yeah, it's in its own fucking steamer thing or whatever. Yeah,
My baby, my baby steamer that me up, I'm sure it's 100 and odd pound.
exactly.
I'm getting that buckle
What that about go
different
wash
from that to
buckle?
buy.
That's what every mother
Kalia
does.
buckle them
Duh.
is £10. £10 for the big
She's
one
so
and
petty, yo.
£5 for the
She's
small
petty.
one.
She's so fucking
And
petty.
her buckle steamer, cause
She never
Kalia
had
buckle
one.
steamer can take off the big part and then it have a small part for warm up milk.
Right.
That's how bad it is.
Right.
She
She
gonna
don't have
come
none
talk
of
about.
those, Tanya. She
You
never
don't have
used.
no back steam, Tanya. Why would I?
But
So, me figure it out now. Me have my phone in my and I wash the buckle and so my phone wet up. Just to put it on social media for show people. Oh, me I wash my baby buckle. That's so
so
dumb.
stupid. Like, who's gonna do that?
So dumb
But
and
Tanya,
stupid.
she's always saying, "Oh, you need to what? Yeah, you need to wash your baby. Go bring your. I know you should get. Why are you saying these things? Because you can't have them. You've never had a nanny in your life. I could pay for a nanny right now. You see what I'm saying? You don't know what I'm doing with my child, bitch. You don't know anything about me and my kids. Fuck out of here.
First
No.
the
My
woman
two
said,
daughters are my life.
me not have no kid.
Fuck.
Me not have no kid. And
Because
I show
everything
my
she feel like
children
say
them
people
kid.
must put on social media. And half everything what
Exactly.
she asks her, she don't
She
put.
doesn't put it up.
Somebody,
Right. She's asking us to put up and post this and post that. And then when we post it now, she have a problem with it. So why even put it up? Whether you put it up or you don't put it up, she don't like it and she'll criticize. If you have a
She
man or you
lucky.
don't have a man, if you have kids or you don't have kids, it's argument. Always
If
the
you drive
argument
or you don't drive, it don't
in
matter what you
this.
do, the woman is gonna find fault.
Exactly.
I'm done with arguing with these
You want
people.
some?
I'm using the law
But she
and
can't
fix
show for
them.
that the old car. She still
Right?
drive Porsche. She can't show it.
Exactly.
Can't bother
Post it
her.
up, baby. Yeah.
All
What's my
I
Yeah,
life?
but
gotta
yeah,
say,
but
lady,
Thanks.
you are
yeah, but the
one.
funny thing is, you know what? The funny thing is, she's setting it up. Where remember she's saying that she's going to be trading in a
For a
Porsche.
Jaguar.
Yeah.
So she's trying to say yeah getting a Jaguar.
She's
So she's trying to set it up so the, the Porsche's never seen. Oh, I traded it
right.
in.
Alright, so
Right.
It's
show
never
with the
happened.
Jaguar,
But the
then no
Jag
show with the
but
new
she's
Jag.
downgrading. The Jaguar is not an upgrade. A Jaguar is not an
I
And
know,
then not
but
upgrade.
she
even that.
says a upgrade. She
Yeah,
says
because
a upgrade because she not no
she doesn't
sense.
have no Porsche, and everybody's Porsche that she videoed before, it wasn't hers. It was the people in the house where she was cleaning.
Right, but it's not even that. She couldn't get a Jaguar, but she can get an old one that kind of still looks good and have the emblem. So all she probably have to do is just
Soup
show
it up.
the
Yeah,
emblem.
soup it up, basically.
Yeah, I got a friend. I got a friend. I was surprised. It was like 1994, 95, or
Uh-huh.
something like that. Fucking thing look good.
Exactly.
It
Yeah.
looked good.
Yeah. They look nice, but
Yeah,
Woman is a
she not
liar.
gonna do
yeah.
that because she cheap. Everything she talk about with
Woman
money, she
doing it to
always
Remember the
said she's
woman
everybody.
cheap.
van seat with all a blood clot strip the piece of big old dirty van
Dirty.
them have white van
Mm-mm.
there.
She don't even have coverings over them. It
Blonde
look
A
fucking
Vashon.
champagne looking van.
disgusting. Yeah. She have all kind of crumbs, all kind of nasty stains, all kind of different shit at the back of their car. Oh my god. It was dirty. It was filthy, people. Dirty. Bitch, don't make me have to drop the whole outline of your house. Every room in your house may have a picture
Sister,
of. Yeah?
sister, we not drop nothing. We not post nothing about her. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
This is what she want. Makes you stay.
Right.
Not post nothing. More than when time where she got court,
Mm-hmm.
we can't come out and show the people them like 'cause she is gonna go to
Of
court.
course.
Amanda is taking her to court.
Yeah, but she's
The ball
already
is rolling.
look how fucked up it is, right? She was already brought to court, like basically in the process of going to court with somebody else, right? And she still insists to come online and cuss the people them. For what? Why are you
Then
doing
look
that?
at that. The son is crying. Like if I see my child is crying and upset,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try to make it up. What the woman do? Press her live.
Right.
Still, I jeopardize her
And
son, boy. I mean, never
and the
said it.
woman, that's her job. The lawyer she's talking about and stuff. That's the woman's job. And then she's gonna attack that same woman. For what reason? Well, there's no reason for doing all that. Then when you go to court now, don't worry. That girl Shireen, trust me, I hope she fix your fucking business. Want her fix your good and proper. Yeah. But you're gonna stop work and you're gonna stop this and that just so you don't have to pay the person no money. You're so fucking stupid. You sound dumb. Cause how you gonna do that and they're gonna take your fucking house? You're gonna live on the street? You're gonna live on the fucking street, you dumb bitch. Fucking
She don't have
talking
no
oh
fucking
shit.
sense.
Right, talking
Cause she
shit.
don't want shit, that's why
She
she talk
doesn't.
like that.
She doesn't. She rent every fucking thing. She what you call it? Everything. She don't and those credit cards are not credit cards. Those are fake credit cards they send to your house if they want if you have the option to call in and say, okay, I want to register for whatever,
Or
Yeah,
whatever.
I get
apply.
them. I get them all the while. I get
Yeah,
them
they're
all the
fake.
while.
Everybody get those dumbass credit
Yeah,
card.
they're fake. And
Mm.
then they send you the real one if you qualify, right? I don't know who
Yeah.
she
Yeah.
thinks she
Wait,
had play with
wait,
some kindergarten
wait,
people. Some
wait.
kindergarten kids she
Ape,
think we is. Mm-hmm.
let me show Ape something. Let me show Ape
Mm.
something. I'm gonna show her credit card,
Right?
and this is what
But
happened
she
on
can't
me.
read the number them, you know.
Yeah, to be
I'm
careful. You have to,
press.
yeah, cover the
Be
number,
careful the
cover
number.
your name and stuff too.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Right. Man,
You can't cover the number your name, just show the logo.
Right.
yeah. Another American
Right?
Express.
Lord above the black one.
Mm-hmm.
You see that? Yep.
An-
Why
See that?
is that? The cold one.
Right?
I'm going my
another one.
blood clot.
Blood clot.
And
Watch
Oh,
out.
yeah, American Express, they easy to forget, you know.
Right? Yeah, I forgot that again. That's all.
all right.
One Drew, you're going with things.
Man,
Mm-hmm.
City
Boom,
Advantage,
boy.
MasterCard,
Mm-hmm.
and the Black
Boom,
Card,
boy.
Boy.
Visa Black.
Yes. All she has is Visa debit. Everybody gets even the little pitney them can get a Visa debit card. Move your blood clot.
Of course, sure, MasterCard.
Everybody gets it because it has the chip in it now. All of them are Visa debit, just the regular bank cards. Yeah. See there?
One more
See it
American
there?
Express.
Mm-hmm. The good things, them. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And another American Express.
Talk truth, na Drew. Boom, boom. Go on, my friend. Go on. Mm-hmm.
Visa.
Ross. See that ape?
And that's what I have on me. I have more home.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. Woman is sick in her head, yeah, man. Can look in the woman eyes and you see mental.
Mm-hmm.
Woman eye them wild.
And if I tell you,
Understand? She have her children and them under Hitler regime.
right?
Concentration camp. That your kids them have to ox you.
Concentration camp.
Ox you
Mm-hmm.
to use the trampoline and the swing. That lady.
It's for them. And I don't understand why they can't just go out there and say, Mom, I'm going on in the backyard, and then go on your stuff, because those stuff are what you bought for your children. So why they have to ask? But look
I
how
pretty
big
them
they are.
cat if you go in at the fridge, go get something to drink.
Look how big they are. And you're telling me you have to ask them, Mom, can I go on the trampoline? Sound like some 4-year-old pitney, like, and they're big grown kids. Jesus, please.
And it's so, I know that at summertime.
Right.
We have them at the house, I do.
Where the pool there, all now the whole summer past gone. And we not see the blood clot pool. Where the pool lady? Come show the pool. Justice for the pool.
What pool, the woman, I go buy one little small pool one in the back.
1 foot pool.
Man,
1 foot off the floor to blood clot. And you say you have pool. Move your blood clot. You know how much hydro that would have be, girl? You don't have the money there. You're not ready yet. You're not ready. Fuck out of here. Think you're Kim Kardashian? Amari swears that
The
she's
woman
Kim
can barely,
Kardashian cross, but at least
the
Amari,
woman can barely find food. That's
blood
how bad
clot
it
scam the
is.
people them and try live them life and go broke. Hmm? She wants to be like Amari and can't. Fuck out of here, bitch. Nobody don't like you. You're
And
not
the woman
likable.
lie. Say she
Yep.
was even on Facebook. Oh, you never there on Facebook. Oh, you know about Mary.
Exactly.
What the fuck
Damn
you know about
fool.
Mary? Mary never there on IG. Mary is there on YouTube, but Mary there on Facebook first.
Right. So how she know
She's a
everything
fucking
that's
liar.
going on with Amari from way in the beginning till now? She couldn't just see it on YouTube alone. There's no way. Cause some of the stuff she just leave on Facebook. She don't even post it on YouTube.
Exactly.
So me know say a lie she a tell. And she wasn't
Yeah,
even on
big lie.
YouTube back then. She wasn't on YouTube back then.
And she was on Instagram either.
No. But guess what? She no a lie we I tell Fretdem. She did have a fake page. Lie we I tell. She did have a
Yeah, the
fake
girl I
page.
feel so that's why
And
I say
guess
she have
what?
fake page at the party.
No, she had the Love Saunders page on YouTube. She had Osha Saunders. She said we make that page. So how we get that video? Oh, we get the video when you're trying to put the phone to see if they could see it, the whatever in the phone, and you're putting it up to the screen. Bitch, that's your page. Osha Saunders. That's your page, bitch. Yours.
Well, she never realized what she did do.
Right?
Yeah, but me I talk about
Monica
when she there
Webb.
with Mar. We can't talk about Mar. Monica Webb was
Right?
the drunk girl.
She don't know Amari.
I remember every cake would come and say, when we find out it was
Right.
her.
And then
we
when we
didn't
look
find out it was
into
her,
it,
and the cake would come and say, yes. Me I say, look at this drunk
when we
girl.
look into it, Fretdem, what happened? That person run And we never seen that Monica web
And
page again.
disappear.
Yes. Them disappear off of blood clot Facebook. We can't find Amari kick her out the group. Amari kicked her out of their group, the Telegram group. We were in
Yeah,
there.
cause she in there every minute I call me name, I call me
We were
name.
in there.
You think sometime Amari why hear about me? Amari like I promote and I promote me, Amari kick him the fuck out.
Yeah. We were in
All
there.
these
You
other
remember Fretdem?
bitches. Yo, them something that was so sweet
We
back
were
in
in
days.
there and
Sit
Amari
down in
didn't
that
know.
fucking group and I listen. And I listen to all the group. Telegram group you can't forward nothing so you have to interact
Right.
and a blood clot. Take picture with other phone. Yo, me not like screenshot wasn't there at them time. Screenshot just not come in.
Mm-hmm. We listened to
They
the
start to
whole
take
thing.
out.
Where them a plan
And
from
there's
point A to
all the
point
big
B.
hey, hold on, they make a get a girl here up. Dirty blood clot pussy needing covers.
Oh.
Humpy dumpy blood clot needing covers. But the pan IG as needing English and needing your bleach out and look like when we spit a ground and it dry up. Dirty woman. Low self esteem, dirty woman. Remember when Omar rub out your blood clot, the dirty woman,
Mm-hmm.
and how we you run to save your dog shit. Drunk
She
crow.
ball.
Me see you right up and boy, you're upset because my sister kick you off her page. Quay,
Mm-hmm.
dirty stinking low life dog, yo. Yeah, come talk about say people live in a council flat, bitch. You live in a council flat. Drunk crow, you bring your son from
What
Jamaica,
is
you
the
dog
one?
shit.
She a follow
Eh,
me
you get
page
your
though.
first year in a blood clot, England yet. He's so
That
cold.
fucking bitch.
Eh,
But I
eh,
tell fucking what's her name, but oh, I seen it on Stormbossy YouTube. Fuck out of here, bitch. So you wake up, as soon as you wake up, you see me? The fuck you talking my
yeah.
name over there with the
With
fucking
that
A?
bleach out
Ugly
ugly
fucking
self, with that
bitch.
humpy dumpy self. You
Flip
want to
flop.
show the girl shit,
She a
but people
flip
may
flop.
get her picture and show no.
She flip flop from
When
everybody.
Omari rub up your picnic, go and go worry about your son. You live in a council flat.
Am I
And you come and come talk about
robot?
people council flat. But boy, you pay tax to people. No girl, you look at tax. When you pay tax, me sure enough no. When I tax that you get back money. Drunk you look at tax care make you live. You pick them and everybody else. Hey,
Right?
go ahead.
She's a flip flop.
You
She went
ugly
from
lie.
Amari to fucking Little Kev to every person
Yeah.
back then.
Remember when the
Everybody.
little Kev them and Omari run her like a dog.
Mm-hmm.
And she come over, we are help us if we help her. We have to help Omari rub her out for her pitney. When Omari
Five
put up
month
her
old
pitney and
baby.
violate her pitney and see how
Them
her
I go
pitney and
kill her. Them
cokehead.
I go
People
drop
will
the
find
pitney
the
down the
screenshot.
fucking
I'm going to put it
hill.
on my page
Cut
and
off the
show
pitney
you know.
neck. All kind of something them say about our 5 month old. She nearly dead.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Me still have a screenshot, me find it on my laptop.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday me find it, I put up when Omari rub out her pitney.
Yeah.
Oh, she shot her ugly looking. The girl I love mix up look much here with the Ronnie and this if I go call Tanya name to the dirty woman post.
Right.
Drunk crow. And boy, you want itch up on girl page and I talk about people careless. Sometimes we don't have to know the meaning of careless. If every time me get a screenshot of a life and me see your name depend it, you have to be careless. You know work, you know depend nothing.
Trust
And
me.
my business you know work, but you can't call no girl careless.
Right.
And nothing now go on for you. You sit down and depend life. And sit down and write about a girl who gonna live better than you. Because guess what? If you come to the test, I will say go live now. Let's all out the showing on the house. You can't do that blood please. So me not
Right.
argue with none of you. Now go pick up the life. Half of you not hide on the face. So me don't know. You not internet bad people. All you dirty, stinking, nasty teeny. Teeny a Brooklyn, me here, so you live. Me not have no time for argument with you. You understand? Me not in a no argument with no girl who live in my state or in my city. I mean, say daytime and location drunk. You upset because me make Tanya black you for her life. Go ahead. Well, I need to over pussy and I believe it dirty thing they will pussy. Like say when you don't have a brain. People not, not even at Jamaica now. Jamaica now you lick pick and do certain things. Yeah, God jail them have number for call, much less in a first world country now go like you know no sense. I up on my page dog. Go out in the dirty stinking self. Yeah, no, you're not the founder.